Standard 3rd, Subject English. Lesson number 7, Kashaba Jadhav. So, dear children, before getting into the lesson, let us begin with a short introduction. Dear children, I am going to show you few pictures of indoor games. These are the indoor games. So I want you all to name in order. Yes, first one is chess. Very good. Okay, the next one. Exactly, right. Table tennis. Oh, the third one. I hope you all have it in your home. Yes, it's carom board. Now the fourth one is very familiar, right? Yes, it's a Ludo. Very good, children. Now let us see few outdoor games. I want you to name them as you have named the indoor games. Dear children, name the pictures in order. The first one, can you name that outdoor game? Yes, it's a football. Very good, children. Now the second one, I hope you all play. Right, yes, it's a cricket. Very good. Third, it's a hockey. Wow, very good. Now the last one is basketball. So a big clap goes to dear children. You all have answered correctly. So very good. Dear children, have you heard about the Olympic Games? Oh, so you have not heard about it. Okay, so let's see what is Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are an international sports festival held every 4 years. Have you seen these 5 rings anywhere? Okay, this is a symbol of Olympic Games. The Olympic flag has a white background with 5 interlocking rings in the center. Blue, yellow, black, green and red. The 5 rings represent the unity of 5 continents of the world linked together in friendship. The 6 colors are those that appear on all the national flags of the world at the present time. Now, dear children, let us know more about Kashaba Jadhav. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. So dear children, now let us see few Indians who have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kashaba Jadhav. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba. Dada Saheb himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kashaba. From an early age, Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means matches. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Akhada means a place meant for doing physical exercise. Kashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, malkhamb, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. Agile means to move quickly. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Merit means quality of being very good. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for travelling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashaba's village also helped. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Kashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of doles. Kashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Kashaba won great honor for his country, even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honors for our motherland? So, dear children, hope you all enjoyed and understood the lesson. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.